Hello there, it's me Sibin from Libromi. In this video, we are introducing WhatsApp store integration with a popular e-commerce platform named Ecwid. Ecwid is similar to Shopify, but they provide a cost-effective solution and they provide native integration with popular platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and they even provide an option to sell directly to Amazon and eBay and plenty of other e-commerce platforms. So here, with partnership with Ecwid, Libromi has enabled its native app within Ecwid to seamlessly integrate the Ecwid platform to a WhatsApp store. If you are an existing Ecwid user, you can find the WhatsApp store by Libromi app on the app marketplace. Also, I have provided the direct link to this app on this YouTube video description. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to start with an e-commerce platform, you can log into ecwid.com and sign up for an account. So using the WhatsApp store by Libromi app, you can enable all the products from Ecwid catalog to WhatsApp, and you can even receive orders directly from WhatsApp to the Ecwid orders page. And all the products from Ecwid catalog can be easily synced with the Meta catalog using this app. After successfully installing the WhatsApp store by Libromi app, you will reach on this page. From here, you can simply open the app, or you can navigate from the sales channel and WhatsApp store by Libromi, and you will reach on this page to activate the WhatsApp store. Here you can see an options to enter the access token. So before that, first you need to sign up for an account with Libromi and complete the setup wizard. After that, you can navigate to channels, e-commerce, and reach on this page. The first step here is create a catalog. To do that, you can click on this create catalog button. That will directly launch a page to create a catalog in Meta Business Manager. Here, choose e-commerce and click online products and then click next. Here, give a name to this catalog. And then I'm clicking on create button. This will create a catalog in a moment. And you can click the view button to view the catalog. And then the catalog will be ready in a second. After that, navigate to the settings page and you need to define the currency and the country. So here, edit, and the default language will be English in this case. And the country I'm operating from here is United Arab Emirates, and save. So the first step is done. Now you can close this page. Now the next step is connecting the created catalog with the Libromi. To do that, click on the auto connect button. That will launch a pop-up. So here you can simply navigate to the business manager account. So in this case, that is Cycle Store, and continue. And now you can see the catalog you just created. That is Cycle Store _WC, and continue. And you can see all the permissions, save, and got it. And after 2 seconds, you will see the selected catalog here. Just simply select that. So now the e-commerce system is activated. Now the next step is link the catalog with the WhatsApp account. To do that, click on this button. That will launch the direct page to link the catalog. So here you can see the option to choose the catalog. Click on that and select the catalog from the drop down and simply connect the catalog. That's done. Now you can close that page too. And now the next step is activate the Ecwid platform with Libromi. So here you can see an options to enter the access token. You can find the access token from the e-commerce settings section. So here, e-commerce token, simply click on the copy button. The token will be copied to the clipboard, and then you can navigate to the Ecwid. And to activate the app, you can paste the token and simply click activate. It will be instantly activated. Now, if you refresh this page, you will see it is now connected with the Ecwid platform. So the next step is you need to make sure you have updated all the products in the products page. So you can see there are some products. It is related to cycling and all. Now I'm navigating to the WhatsApp store by Libromi app again. And now to sync all these products with the Meta catalog, you just need to sync product. Before that, I will open the catalog page. To see the catalog, you can click on the view catalog button here and navigate to the items page. Here you can see there are no any products now. So navigate to the app and now click on the sync product button. Now let's see, it started syncing already. It will take a few minutes based on how many products you have. So let's wait. Yes, done. The products have been successfully synced with the Meta catalog, and it will take some time to visible on the platform. Okay, and now we can navigate to the catalog and refresh this page. Let's see if the products are already synced. Yes, the products has been successfully synced here. Now let's see if this catalog is visible on the WhatsApp number. I'm sharing my WhatsApp on the screen. Now, if I click on the profile page, it seems the catalog is not yet appeared, but it usually takes some time. So until that, we can set up the chatbot. To do that, navigate to the Libromi platform and click on the chatbot button. It will take you to this chatbot page. Now we need to create a chatbot to trigger this e-commerce flow. To do that, click on create chatbot, and then here, when someone sends a message to this WhatsApp number, we can trigger the catalog. To do that, I'm using the link module on the message group. So simply drag and drop the link message and connect from the start edge to the group 1. And now just give a body text like to start shopping. Click on the below button, and the button label will be view products. And now I'm directly pasting the link I prepared earlier. The format of the link will be https:// wa.me/c/your phone number with the country code without the plus sign. So that will be the direct link to the catalog. So you can define the link here and give a short code to this chatbot as shop, for example, and give a chat expiration duration of 15 minutes and save. Now I'm sharing the screen again. It took around 10 minutes to display the catalog icon on the WhatsApp profile. So if I click on the catalog icon on the top right side, it will display all the products that sync from the Ecwid platform to the WhatsApp. So you see? Also, if we send a hi message, the chatbot we just created will trigger. And now if you click on the view products button, it will load all the products within that shop. So that is successfully working. And now we can place an order. Let's see. I'm adding the product to the cart and view the cart and placing the order. So it is asking my address since I tried this earlier. Otherwise, we have to enter the address manually. Now I'm selecting and continuing, and let's see. So it shows the order summary and it is asking how you want to pay. Now I'm clicking on the cash on delivery button. It seems the order is successfully completed. Now let's navigate back to the Ecwid platform and navigate to the orders page and let's see. And this is the order I just placed through WhatsApp. So click here and let's see. Yes, it's actually displaying all the product I just placed, the total amount, and even the address I entered through the WhatsApp. And it is showing the payment detail as cash on delivery. So the basic process is done. Now we can further expand this chatbot with more features. The first feature I'm going to implement here is categorize the product. Right now I have enabled all the products in a single view products button like this. If you have more products, it is better to categorize the product and display. To do that, just navigate to the commerce manager, catalog page, and there you have to create sets. Set simply means the categories. To easily create the sets, you can click on the create set button. There are two options. One is by filters or manually select items. So I'm using the filter option here because while syncing from Ecwid platform through the Libromi app, it is automatically creating a field named custom label 0 with the category. So if we click here, you can see there is an unknown category because there is no category set for these products in Ecwid platform. Otherwise, you click on the cycles, you can see there are 3 products assigned to the cycle. So if I want to categorize cycles, I can just simply name cycles and simply create. And next is use filter again. And now again, I'm selecting custom label 0. Here I'm selecting the unknown category. And now I'm giving a name accessories and simply save. Now the next step is go to Ecwid platform again and go to the app page and simply click on the sync product. Sync all these products with the Libromi. Let's wait until the sync process is completed. And now that is completed, navigate to the Libromi panel and click on this chatbot icon. Then it will take you to this page. And from here, navigate to the e-commerce page. There you can click on this product page, and if you click on the select drop down, you can see all these product categories here. So these are the categories we created here as the sets. To organize these categories into parent and child categories, first you need to create a main category. Here in Libromi support 3 levels of category. So the first level is list. If you have up to 3000 products, you still need only one list to create. So if you have more than that, you may need to create multiple lists. So right now it will be just default list, and then I'm just creating a category, default category, and then we need to map this default category under a list. To do that, select the created list from the drop down and then just click on the plus button to add the category under the default list and simply save. And then navigate to the subcategory page here, select the default category we just created, and then move these subcategories under the default category. Simply click plus and save. And now navigate to the dashboard and navigate to the chatbot page again. So now instead of sending complete product list, I'm deleting this module and then navigate to the e-commerce section and drag and drop the catalog module here and directly connect from the start module. And now we can enter the same message here. Please click on the below button to start shopping, and the button message will be view categories. Here you can choose which level of category should display here. You can either display list, then it will be 3 level navigation, otherwise it will be category and set. Right now I'm choosing category, then it will display 2 sets under this. So that will be list of default and choosing the default category as default category that we created earlier. And now simply save. And now before testing this chatbot, we can implement one more feature. We can accept online payment. To make changes on the e-commerce bot, navigate to the e-commerce bot which automatically created. So here you can see it start with the order received module. So when a customer places an order, this module will trigger and then it is checking whether the address is already set. If the address is already set, which means the customer has previously ordered, it will show the same address to confirm. Otherwise, it will ask the user to enter the address and then it will be saved, and again it will show the user to confirm or change. And when the user confirms the address will be saved on the Ecwid platform using the set location address feature. This will be really valuable. Here you can actually explore in more detail. And from the pay online button, there is no any address created. So here we can implement the online payment section. To do that, use the payment link module. Simply drag and drop the link module here and connect from the pay online button. So here to configure that, click on the payment module button. Here you can see some major payment gateways are available here, such as Stripe, Razorpay, Instamojo, PayPal, PhonePe, Tap, and this can be integrated based on your request. And the next option is select an account. So right now I have selected Stripe and I'm selecting an account credential which I previously configured. If you want to create a new configuration, click on the connect new configuration and provide the Stripe secret key and the default country and callback URLs. It is a very simple process to set up a new account here. And then I'm selecting the Libromi live credentials and choosing a body. Please click on the below button to complete the payment of, and then we can find the amount on variable here as new total. This will display the amount before completing the payment, and then the amount will be new total and the quantity will be 1, and then the currency will be AED and the product name is e-commerce order. And you can even override the success URL and cancel URL. I'm not giving anything right now. So that's it. And if it is success, we need to send the payment successful status to the Ecwid platform. To do that, drag and drop the payment status module from the e-commerce section and connect from the success edge to the group 12 and configure with paid online, and then connect the group 12 edge with the group 5. So that will be order completed from here. If in case the order is failed, you can actually even retry to this step. Also force timeout and cancel, or you can set a separate message here and navigate back to the group 1 again. So now let's see this chatbot in action. To test this chatbot, I'm sharing my WhatsApp on the screen and sending the shortcode message #start shop to trigger this chatbot. But for the normal user, they just need to send a hi to start the e-commerce chatbot. So here it responded with the category message. If I click on the view categories, it will display both the categories. If I click on cycles first, it will respond with the list of cycles. And now to see all the accessories, click on view categories again and click accessories and send. Now it responded with the list of accessories. View items here. I'm adding some product to the cart. View cart and place the order. It responded with the previous address. Now I'm selecting and continuing the same address. Now the total amount is 98.90 and this is the order summary. Now I'm choosing the pay online option to see how the online payment works. So let's see. It immediately responded with the payment link message. Now if I click on pay now button, it will redirect to the Stripe checkout page. I can either use the Apple Pay to make the payment or enter my card information manually. Right now we have integrated Stripe with this chatbot, but as I mentioned, there are plenty of gateways available. In India, there are UPIs available. In that case, the direct UPI app such as Google Pay will be directly open to make the payment. So if I make the payment, it will continue and place the order within the Ecwid platform and mark this order as paid. So that's it. And the same integration is available with WooCommerce and Shopify. And if you are interested to use this feature, sign up to Libromi.com and follow this video. Thank you.